Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Drivo wireless mechanical keyboard. So let's get started. So to start off, the model that I have here is the Drivo mechanical wireless caliber keyboard. So links to this product will be in the description down below. Now we can take a look at the keyboard itself here. This keyboard features 71 keys as well as fully programmable RGB lighting. As you can tell, there is no numpad with this keyboard, so it is quite compact at just 71 keys. So the model I have here features blue mechanical switches, but you can also pick up this device with brown switches as well. And the device also comes in your choice of color of either the black or white model, depending on what fits your setup. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a preview as to what the blue mechanical switches sound like. So as you probably heard, the blue switches are quite clicky. So if you're opting for a quieter keyboard, I recommend choosing the brown switches. So how does this keyboard perform while gaming? Well, even in its wireless configuration, it still does quite well. But if you're looking for great response time, you can also use the included wire. Now, I keep mine tucked away behind my monitor here, and I only pull it out when I need to play games. So when I do want to connect it to my PC, I simply just plug it in via the included cable. So this keyboard allows you to connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices, and they can be easily switchable through a shortcut on the keyboard. So in total, you can have connected 4 devices, 1 through wired and 3 through wireless. A great feature about this keyboard is that the RGB lighting automatically turns off after a period of time when you're not using the keyboard. This helps to conserve overall battery life of the keyboard, so you're not constantly keeping it charged. Now, for mechanical keyboards, we're usually looking at a price point between $100 and $120. But with the Drivo mechanical keyboard, you're getting an all-around great keyboard for an affordable price. And the fact that it's wireless means that you'll have a wire-free setup. So if you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard that's RGB and won't break the bank, feel free to check out the link in the description down below. So that's it for this video. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!